welcome back to Channeling Luxury and our new rating system. I will continue along for this collection. This is 24C, 24 Cruise. This is an older one in more ways than one, 23K. And I immediately looked at it and thought, oh my God, I'm not 90 yet, so please don't. But I'll try it on and we'll see how it looks. Sometimes looks can be deceiving. This jacket is very... I don't know, what was the name of that show? Starsky and Hutch, I think. That's what this one reminds me of. Here's the tag for it. Those of you interested in it, does not feel nice, by the way. It feels very, very heavy for a cruise. A tweed, right? So maybe, tweed is often one of my favorites. This is a size 40 in orange, pink, and ecru. I don't know if the 40 is going to be huge, but we'll find out. This little piece here, I don't recall even looking at this one, so I don't have any further information other than also it's cruise. And black, ecru, yellow, pink, blue. And it looks like a crop. And this pink top that I do have actually in black, it looks pretty sexy on. I like it, so I'll try it in pink. And you can see the price and the information here. So we'll get started, try these, and let's see if we have any luck with some more pieces from 24C. All right, so this is the pink version of what I already have in black. And I need my little nipple stickies, but you can see how it looks. What I like is this. I like the V here. I think it looks pretty cute. It looks better on the black, I'll be honest. It got more of a pop. So if you're looking for this top, it does run a little bit small. Here's the detail on the sleeve. It's like a little bit of a puffy CC. Not too much CC, thank God. And a decent length that you can wear it with a nice pair of trousers or jeans or something. So I'll try on the next piece. As far as looks, I think this color brings it down. I liked the black one more, so I'm going to give it a 6. Wearability, I think it's pretty high. I would probably give it an 8. Value, $2,200. It's a lot, but it's not a lot for Chanel at these days. So I would probably give it, around a 6 as well. I'm going to keep the black one and return the pink one. So that's our new rating system, by the way, for those of you who are just jumping into the channel, so we can kind of get a sense of what the heck we're going to buy when we have these, astronomical prices. I'll be honest, I did text my SA because I knew I had a really big bill coming, and I was going to try the pieces on at home and not in the boutique. I really thought I would, so it was like $30,000, and I really thought there'd be like 10 of them to choose from, pick a couple of pieces. There were 5. So that tells you the kind of price increases that we're starting to see, well, that we've been seeing and that are now, in my opinion, totally out of control. So that was disappointing, I'll be honest, before I even started this whole look and try on today. But I'm going to move to the next piece and we'll continue on. All right, so this is the next one. This is running very small. This is a 40. You probably heard me say in the opening, like, wow, 40, it's going to be big. It's very tight in the bust in spite of being a 40. Thankfully, under the arms is the easiest thing for the Chanel tailors to take out when it comes to jackets. But let me show you the detail. Again, this is over $8,000. To me, this is not worth the price, but the colors are pretty. They're definitely my colors, which makes me a little bit sad that it's not a nicer jacket, but I don't like the length. It's not quite cropped and it's not quite long enough to be professional. So what is nice is the sleeves. You can wear a nice watch or jewelry and have it still show off, but this is not an $8,000 jacket to me. One thing that is really nice is the lightweight. It is a very lightweight tweed. So if you're looking for lightweight jackets this month, this is an option. Sorry, I have my Alo Yoga sweats on with all of this stuff. There were actually pants in this very large purchase that turned out to be not of much. But there were not, so I just kept my sweats on. So looks, this is all right. I think it's a little bit on the boring side, actually. Maybe open up a couple of buttons. I don't know. I'm going to give it maybe a 4. Wearability, because of the crop nature, the super bright colors, and not having decent pockets. And to me, wearability is also about a 4. Value is about a 2. If this were a jacket that I would wear in tweed, I think we can justify the $6,000 to $8,000 price range, but I don't think this jacket justifies that. And again, that's just my opinion, but that's where I am on this one. So I'll try on the next one and let's see what else we can find. All right, welcome back. So this little top actually had potential to me. It's very lightweight denim. I like the colors in it. You can see the like sort of yellow, blue, pink. I thought it was pretty cute. And so it had potential until this. And I don't know, maybe Chanel folks, maybe most of you have someone to help you dress. I don't know. I don't. My 13-year-old's not here today, so she's not going to be able to help me do this. Very cute buttons in the back, but I would need the tailor to make the buttons close and find a way to put a zipper or something in this that allows me to get it on, like straight up the front or straight up the back. But I cannot get these buttons. I'm not going to spend 15 minutes putting on a top, in other words. So no matter how cute it is or how much I like the colors, I'm not going to do that. So that's just my own personal preference. But those of you looking for it, this is fitting at this size, as you had seen in the introduction, so that's good. I do like the weight of it. I do like the colors. I even like the crop level. I think it's at a good point where it actually shows off your curves. I just think I'll never wear it because it's too much of a pain in the ass to get on, and I'm not going to spend, I don't know, 10 minutes buttoning my shirt. So looks, I think this one's a good 7. Wearability, because I can't get it on without help, or a lot of mirrors, or both. Unless a tailor can fix it, I'm gonna say that it's a 2. And value, because of the same reason, it's gonna be a 4. That's my impression. Here's what the back looks like, but I don't have it buttoned. The buttons are actually pretty cool. I'll see if I can show you the button without having access to them. Those of you who wanna know what they look like, try to get up and close here, and hopefully you're able to see them. So really cute, but definitely it's not a wearable piece if I can't get my outfit on myself. I actually do wish it was a little bit longer. I would go with the crop, except I can't button it. All right, so I'm gonna move on to the next piece. All right, I feel like something from like a full-on 80s movie here. I'll be honest, I can't even close this. So the sizing is all jacked because see how big it is here, but I can't close the buttons here. That's not gonna work. The pockets are in a funky spot. It's got some leather detailing here, which is a little bit nice. I didn't see on the intro. But here's my take on it. The weight is way too heavy. It feels silky only on the outside. It doesn't feel good at all on the inside. And the biggest issue is the sizing. I could not wear this because I can't close it, and at the same time, it's too big here. Like, it looks way too big. So I don't even know how to describe this one, but it does have a pocket here. I'm holding it closed in the front because I can't zip it. And the pocket here is nice, but other than that, the color, I can show you the color close up. The color looks pretty good, I think, on. Nice spring color. For a look, this is a 1 because it just doesn't fit right. And also, I think this looks too, it looks like, like kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? It feels like I'm at the roller derby or something. I don't know, just not right. Wearability to me is a 1. I can't zip it, but I also can't deal with the flap. Do this enough, I'll fly away. Value at over $5,000, no way. So the value would be a 1 to me as well. So this is a huge bust. This is what the back of it looks like. And it has a decent shape right here, actually. If you can see along the side, it has a decent shape. You just can't zip it. So what's the point? And if you pulled it, it's not going to pull at the waist enough. And this is my standard size, and my waist is a 26. It's not that big, so I don't know what's going on, but the sizing is all messed up for this one. I'm gonna try one more. All right, so this is probably the nicest of the pieces I've seen so far, but I would never wear this. First of all, it's way too tight in the arms. You can probably see when I try to move. Feels like it's gonna rip apart. Way too tight in the arms, but it's way too formal. I mean, come on, guys. Like, this is like black tie affair. Not doesn't belong in this collection. This is $23K, but the buttons have this little pink detailing. You can see here, actually much easier. It does have a lot of, kind of nice looking, classy fabric to it. I think the little puff here at the shoulder looks nice. Even the oversized collar that I thought would be kind of ugly looks, I think, pretty good. I like the neckline and where it stops. I'll show you the back. Well, there's 2 problems. 1, I'll never wear this, and 2, the price. So at over 10 grand, this is not worth it to me. It does not fit where I need it to. So I think in terms of a look, this could be a good 7, 8. Wearability for me is a 1. I have no place to wear this to, so it doesn't belong in my wardrobe. And that's something I'm really having to learn and struggle with, because if something looks cool, I'm like, yes, I really want it. And then I never wear it. And that's the reason why. So I'm not doing that anymore for obvious reasons. And then value for me at over 10 grand, the value is not here. So, I'm going to put that at a 3. I can understand why, given the craftsmanship, that they've priced it at that price range. So I'm not discounting the work that went into it. I just think for myself, the value, what I would be offered wearing this, which is really just a nice waistline and a nice shoulder, is not worth $10,000. So for me, all of these pieces are a bust. I will not keep any of them, which is really too bad, because I really love cruise collections. Usually it's one of my favorites, but this one has just really, honestly, it's kind of sucked for me, my own opinion. So look forward to what you all think, what pieces you liked, didn't like, what would you style them with, how would you fix them? And yeah, just would love your comments, your opinions, and thank you for watching as always.